Hi, it's Beck here from RhinoCo Technology, and I know you missed our videos, so guess what? We're back. With the new financial year means new trade specials. These specials are valid from now until the end of September. They are 40 pages of unbelievable deals that are there to help you with your install needs. We have a 5, 10 and 20 piece quantity discounts on all our popular camera ranges. We have the ENSA LED flood with the Philips LED chip and the new VIP Vision 120 watt and 180 watt solar CCTV surveillance solution. Now in the coming weeks, we'll have more videos going into detail about these products. For now, if you haven't received your trade special, please make sure you call us on 02 9671 6711 and we'll arrange for them to either be emailed or mailed out to you. Bye for now.